Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's begin with the dot mandala in this 30-inch MDF board. I'll dot in the center with gold. I'll keep some dots in violet. I'll keep some tiny dots in gold. I'll keep some dots in cerulean blue. I'll do tiny dotting in gold. I'll keep some dots in sky blue. I'll do tiny dotting in gold. I'll keep some light green dots. I'll keep some tiny dots in gold. I'll keep some dots in gold and yellow. I'll keep some tiny dots in gold. I'll keep some dots in orange. I'll do tiny dotting in gold now. I'll keep dots in crimson. I'll do tiny dotting. I'll keep consecutive dots here. I'll do tiny dotting in gold. I'll keep some dots in gold. I'll keep a dot here. I'll keep a dot here. I'll work the dots in violet. I'll work the dots in cerulean blue. I'll keep some brush strokes in sky blue. In this circle, on each line, I'll keep a dot. I'll keep a dot here. I'll keep a dot here. I'll work the dots in green. I'll work the dots in gold and yellow. I'll keep some brush strokes in orange. I'll keep some brush strokes in crimson. Let me keep some Fevicol now. I'll fix the mirrors now. I'll draw eye shapes now. I'll keep some dots in gold. I'll work the dots in gold. I'll keep couple of brush strokes. I'll keep 2 more brush strokes. I'll keep some brush strokes in light blue. I'll keep some brush strokes in cerulean blue. I'll keep some Fevicol and then fix mirrors. I'll keep some more Fevicol and fix mirrors.